Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself staring at a spreadsheet in Google Sheets, wishing you could quickly and easily swap two columns without manually retyping everything, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you just how simple it is to swap cells, specifically columns in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to reorganize your data in just a few quick steps, saving you loads of time and frustration. Alright, let's jump right in. To start, open up your Google Sheet. Now, let's say you want to switch the positions of two entire columns. This is perfect, for example, if first name and last name got set up in the wrong order or if you want sales to appear before date for better workflow. First, move your mouse up to the very top of the column, the lettered gray box at the top. Click right on that column letter. You'll see the whole column highlight, which means everything in that column, no matter how long it is, has been selected. Now pay close attention to this next part. Once you've got your column selected and highlighted, don't just click and let go, hold down your click. You'll notice your cursor changes slightly, showing you're about to move the column. Still holding, start to drag that column left or right, whatever direction you need, until it slides into place right beside the other column you want to swap with. When you're dragging, you'll see a faint outline showing you exactly where the column will land. That's your visual cue, and it's super helpful. Think of it like shuffling a deck of cards and sliding one into just the right spot. Take your time here, don't worry if you miss your mark on the first try, you can always drag it back. When you've lined it up with where you want the swap to happen, simply let go of your mouse button. Just like that, the columns have swapped places. It's important to keep in mind that this method moves the whole column, so every cell within it stays together and there's no risk of mixing up your rows. Plus, you can swap columns as many times as you want. Say you have several columns to reorder, just repeat the process, dragging each one into its new position. If you want to alternate columns, for example, switch A and B, then B and C, you can do that too. There's really no limit here, so feel free to play around until your sheet looks just the way you want. If you're someone who likes to organize data differently depending on the project, this feature is a real game changer. And don't worry if you're working with big spreadsheets or lots of data. Google Sheets handles this smoothly and you won't lose anything in the process. That's all there is to it. Swapping cells or entire columns in Google Sheets is as easy as click, drag, and drop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.